2 natural alternatives to treat stretch marks. Stretch marks are an aesthetic problem that doesn't only affect women. Men can also get them, and it's a very uncomfortable condition. They are easy to recognize as a group of irregular and sometimes red-colored lines on the skin. Stretch marks are usually the result of stretching in the layers of skin tissue, especially the internal and intermediate layers. The discomfort caused by the appearance of stretch marks is most commonly associated with the aesthetic aspect. People can start to have lower self-esteem as a result, trying to avoid revealing certain parts of their bodies in public. Areas that are most affected by stretch marks. Stretch mark. In the case of stretch marks, their presence is usually attributed to shifts in body weight. They are usually the result of an increase or decrease in weight that occurs rapidly. This isn't the only factor that influences the appearance of stretch marks, however. Growth stages during puberty is another factor, as the skin starts to stretch to the point of losing its elastic capacity. Another factor that influences them is pregnancy. In this case, stretch marks are located around the abdomen. They can be reddish or brown when they have recently formed, and they take on a whitish or tan color when they are older. There are other areas that may produce such reddish markings due to some of the reasons outlined above. This is the case for your abdomen, breasts, buttocks, thighs, hips. Natural ways to treat stretch marks. Stretch marks are a cutaneous condition that evolves with time. They occur in several stages. It's important to keep in mind that once they appear, however, they cannot be eliminated. All you can do is treat them. While all types of stretch marks will respond to treatment, the reddish ones are easier to diminish because they have more recently appeared. Based on this information, we want to share 2 natural alternatives that are perfect for treating and minimizing those pesky stretch marks. Grapes. They can also be used for other purposes, however, so take advantage of their many properties. Ingredients. One cup of plain yogurt, 200 grams, 10 red grapes. Preparation and application. Crush the grapes without removing the husk or seeds. Mix the grapes with the plain yogurt until you get a slightly thick paste. Apply this mixture to your stretch marks using a circular massage. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. After this time, rinse with plenty of cold water. lemon and olive oil. Olive oil is another ingredient that's ideal for promoting the health of your skin, thanks to its content of vitamin E, an essential nutrient for skin care. Lemon is also very popular around the world thanks to its many benefits. It's very good for reducing stretch marks thanks to its citric acid content, which gives it exfoliating and whitening properties. Working together, these ingredients are a great alternative way to treat those annoying marks and improve the appearance of your skin. Ingredients: 10 drops of extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 of a lemon. Application: using a circular massage, rub the pulp of the lemon on the affected area for about 10 minutes. Allow the citric acid to take effect for 15 minutes before massaging in the extra virgin olive oil. Continue the massage until the oil is completely absorbed.